Ngayong adlaw sa ito ng Little Fam, this is Klein still, inyong admin sa Little Faith, and today I am actually cooking our breakfast, and I just want to share to you because I have chose to start my day off with a podcast episode. Kana siguro, dira. Nakoy butang. So I've been listening to this podcast. I think nakadungong na ko 3 or 4 episodes nila, and then they have been teaching me many things. And today, itudluan ko nila. They have taught me that prayer takes in many forms. Nasa tanan na ay lahi-lahi nga batasan, na introvert, na extrovert, and sometimes para atong mga tao, prayer may take form in Lord proclaiming, and sometimes naapod tayong mga tao nga extroverts and prayer for them takes form. Muna ang pinaka-unique perhaps nga ako nadunggan. Prayer for them takes form in silence. Kailan siya pasabot ni mga na. Basically, mga Little Fam, prayer is not only like our due, kanang buluhaton nato as Christians. Prayer also is not a thing when we need something, iampo nato. Prayer is actually an avenue to connect and establish a relationship with God. So, usahay, mula ito, prayer takes form in silence. Ganun man, it is when wala lang, mahinuktok lang ka and then you let God speak to you. No? Kanang, pause ba? Pause. Iwan pa nila, when the devil can't make you sin, he makes you busy. No? So, ano lang siya. So, I am very amazed, no? Kana ding, dili day all the time prayer is Lord. It depends upon how you establish your relationship with God. Kaya nga naman, ato ang sabton ang prayer. Dili siya ingon lagi sa akong giingon ganina kanang isulti lang nato every time we need something, but it is a time wherein you and your maker establish a relationship, create a relationship. And one way to establish that relationship is to communicate, and that is when you let him speak to you. Kadulang Little Fam, I love you, God bless you, everything for me. Always remember, all it takes is a little faith